So today we've got the little iScooter. Now this is an off-road scooter, so great for campsites, just use in general. And Isabel's going to set it up, and then we're going to have a look at all the technical information, have a little go on it and see what it's like. Okay. You ready?
I hope it doesn't take me long to build.
You'll be fine, you'll be fine. Right, so shall we get it out of the box? First of all, I'll help you with that bit, and then I'll leave you to it to fix it. So we've got a box of bits there. The actual scooter. It's quite heavy. Good weight on that. And then it looks as though it's just the front wheel that you've got to put on, hopefully. So yeah, should we whack that on time lapse? We'll let you put it together, see how you go.
Yeah.
Cool. So this is the iScooter IX5S, and it's the off-road version, up to about 28 miles an hour with this little bad boy. Pretty much straight away to put it together, it's literally the front wheel and everything else just folds out, pops up. Got two big headlights at the front, got disc brakes at the front, we've got disc brakes at the back, and a little shock absorber. 11-inch pneumatic tyres, so brilliant for off-road if you've got sort of gravel, lumps, humps, bumps, anything like that. Nice big speedo dial here, so that'll tell you how many miles that you've done, what voltage that you've got, and what speed that you're doing. Roughly, on a full charge, you're going to do about 34 miles of range. You've on and off switch, a little horn, and then, as I say, our two lights. So fantastic for going off-roading across the campsite, etc. And they do have to be careful, some campsites won't allow these, but then all the campsites, so some campsites will say that they're not allowed, but actually all the ones that we've been to recently have said they're not allowed, but everyone's on them. So again, depends on where you're going to go. Brilliant for the kids and lots of fun.